So today I'm going to show you how to sign up for ESPN streaming service with Hulu. So here I am on Hulu.com. I'm signed on, and you're just going to hover over the top right here under your profile, and you're going to go down until you see a section that says account. So click on account, and then from here along the left hand side you'll see a section that says your plan. So click on the hyperlink that says change under your plan. And as you can see, I'm already subscribed to my plan that has Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN. But you just go here and then you sign up for whichever plan you want. I have the plan that has the ads, which is $29.99 per month right now for the first 12 months, and then eventually it'll be $35.99 per month. You could also get the ad-free plan, which is $38.99 per month for the first 12 months as of right now, as of when I'm recording this video. But then after that it's going to be $44.99 per month. So select a plan that works best for you. You could also just select a bunch of other bundles that they have, and when you do, I'm just going to remove this real quick. At the bottom right you'll see a section that says review changes. So after you go with the amount that is here at the bottom, click on review changes and just complete the sign up process, and you have successfully signed up for ESPN streaming using Hulu. Thanks for watching.